right, quick project tonight. As you can see, off the rails, we lost the one of the wheels. Actually, two wheels came off on the dishwasher, very front. I guess it gets beat up pretty bad when that opens up, slides out. And I've been doing everything in this dishwasher to keep it going. If you remember from a past video, there was I had to put a new fuse in it. Wire, it had a fusible link in it. I replaced it with a regular fuse that was under the front panel in here. I've just been doing other things just to keep this thing going. It's a great dishwasher. I did buy some wheels. I found a place where I get the wheels for the top rack. It's still a little bit of a problem, but it's working. So yeah, this thing's stainless steel. It's really quiet. It's a nice dishwasher. So just trying to keep it going. But here's what we have. We have a this is the guide. Here's one of the wheels. Fits on. This is the pin. That's the factory pin. Of course, it's got the hole in the middle. Weak. It broke the edge off of it. As you can see here, right there, broke that, and it just popped out. And there's what they should look like right there. Flip it over. There's the back side. So what do? We hit the shop. Couple minutes. Got a bunch of this kind of plastic. It's high poly. I don't know what it is. HDP something. Ethylene high density polyethylene. It's the stuff that bathroom stalls are made out of. That white plastic. I got a crap ton of that stuff, and so I have some in strips, square strips. I ripped from the inch sheet of it, and I have bunches of it laying around. Throw it in a lathe, make it round, whatever I want, and then made pins. So there they are. They're not perfect, obviously. Look at that one right there. I got the X a little wrong there. That's not too bad there. Turned it up real quick, and let's see how she works. All right, got the new pins in, and there you go. She's rolling like a champ. Right out there, you can see what happens. It comes out here, it just bangs up against there every time. So that pin, they're probably gonna outlast this dishwasher. Okay, thanks for watching.